Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in Power Apps, many times I get this question like if you want to get the first name or last name of the logged in user in your app, how can you do this? Look, if you want to get the email address or some other properties, you have a very simple formula: user bracket dot email, like that easily you can retrieve. But some, and you also have like a display name where you can get the full name. That's fine. Full name, I think that you can get. But here, but many times people ask like, what if I just like the first name? For example, many apps they want like hi, hello, then the first name. So for them you can use these formulas. Like the first line you see here in the screen is for the first name, and the second one is for the last name. Both are different formulas, so don't use them together. So basically the data source gonna be Office 365 users, my profile, given name, surname. There are few other properties also that you can explore, but for now stick to this. Thanks for watching guys.